types of data or data type. Okay, so here we have structured data, unstructured data. There are two types of data. Structured data means it include defined rows and columns, and here included data but not defined columns. Okay, it must be imported to SAS. For the data type name, it should be 1 to 32 characters. Start with letter or underscore. It should not start with a number. Okay, suppose 5AB data set name, then it will not execute. AB5, it's fine, it will execute. Clear? Okay, so dataset name should be 1 to 32 characters, start with letter or underscore, and continues with letter, number or underscore. Okay, uppercase, lowercase or mixed case, any of them is also fine. Okay, and data type, there are two types, numeric and character. So in the numeric digit 0 to 9, we can use minus sign, decimal point, E also. Okay, examples, these are the examples. And for character, letter, numbers, special characters, blanks, these are the examples we can use. Okay, for the data type. So data set name, we have this particular thing. For data type, we have two types, numeric and character. And length of the data set is nothing but, for numeric 8 bytes and 16 digits. For character, we can use the length up to 1 to 32,767 bytes. Note this, it's very important to note. Okay, and 1 byte is equals to 1 character. Suppose 8 bytes. What is the answer? 8 byte is equals to 8 characters, right?